Hello guys and welcome to Untitled Zimaleta. In today's video I have an unboxing for you guys. It is a Walkie Talkies by Retevis. Let's go ahead and actually get him opened and see what's inside. Alright, so we have this type of box here. You open it up and wow, what do we have here? A nice black looking Walkie Talkie. Wow, that's cool. So the battery, it looks like it's part of the actual belt clip, which is also rechargeable. So let's go ahead and actually install that.
Welcome. 22.
Wow, that's awesome. So these are like really professional, guys. I'm not sure what the range on these, but they are definitely really nice. So look at that.
Welcome. 22.
Wow, so cool. We also have lanyards. There's two of them. And you could actually add them. You could just insert it right through the belt clip. And then of course, if you don't want it, it's removable. Method that we're all used to. So now this belt clip clips in the back. So now you could actually clip it in. So you could actually wear this on your neck. Hey Jason, you want to join me? Come over here, buddy. Okay. You want a lanyard than yours? What is this? Do you know what this is? This is a lanyard. And that's a Walkie Talkie. You think you could figure out how to use it? Let's see if you could call me on it.
Dad.
Wow. Hey, buddy.
Dad, it's this one.
Yes, it's that one.
Easily.
Pushes easily, huh?
Yeah. Dad, I want this Walkie Talkie.
You want this Walkie Talkie?
Yeah.
You like this?
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Can you use that Walkie Talkie?
These Walkie Talkies are actually meant to be used by adults.
Dad.
Oh.
Dad. Can you
We are too close. We are too close. The signal's too strong. Hey Jason, we are too close. We need to be in different rooms.
Dad, what are you doing?
I am sitting here talking to you.
Dad.
Press the button.
Dad. How you doing? What's up?
What's up, buddy? Well, guys, it does come with a power brick and it does come with 2 chargers in one. So you could actually charge 2 of your walkie-talkies at the same time with this power brick. And it is a micro USB type of an adapter. It's a cool instructional manual right here. And this is RT16. It's got so many functions, I'm afraid to look. All I know is just to press the button and just talk. But obviously there's so many different settings, including weather alerts. There's actually that type of function on here. Let's see from just looking at it if we could figure this out. There's a button that's called FM. So, what? Radio station? So right now it's seeking.
Yuri Becker conducts the CSO and selections from the Nutcracker, Sleigh Ride, 12 Days of Christmas, and more.
A radio on a walkie-talkie?
Tickets at charlestonsymphony.org.
This is awesome! There's a radio here. Let's see if you can listen to a radio and you can still communicate. Hey buddy, I need you right here, right now. Okay, boss. That's a little bit too close. That's so cool. So it actually got out of the function of the radio. You want to hold it? Here, you can hold that. So let me remove my lanyard. So we're going to go to FM right now. And we're going to hit seek. So it looks like when somebody's trying to communicate with you, it breaks that breaks that signal. We're sitting too close.
That's going to be far. Like a talk.
Okay, hold on.
Emotional baggage in a good way, as Christmas and holiday songs are. Now the news.
Hey guys, you know what else is cool?
South Carolina Public Radio.
There is a light.
Afternoon's headlines. Lawmakers in Washington, D.C.
There's a flashlight here. So if you're looking for your keys,
Black colleges and universities across the country. The U.S. House of
so if you want to just turn off the sound, you can just hit that button right there. So
It's African.
3,
it knows how to count.
Yeah.
It said 1, 2, 3,
4,
4.
5,
So guys, of course it does have a light, like I said, and there is a volume rocker on here. The light is very easy to turn on, and there's an SOS light on here as well. So that could be really really useful. There's also
12,
weather alert function on here.
7, 6, 5, 4.
Jason, I think you're gonna knock the signal out to where we won't be able to communicate. Hello, Jason. Hello. See, you actually took it way too far.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so
20, 20, 20.
we're in channel 22 right now. Hey, Jason. So lots of channels to choose from.
Like this one.
You could also have a private channel, which is awesome. Yeah, you could put that one. That's a radio. You could seek like that. See, you could find a station. So you just got out of it. So just wait like this. Look, press FM. Oh, looks like okay. Hold on, let's see.
Dad.
Us raise our children.
Hold on.
And with nearly 300 programs and partnerships, Central Piedmont can help you see beyond
Dad, I believe I moved here.
we conquer.
Okay, fine, buddy. What do you want? So guys, the USB charging port is right here. Stop it! Stop! 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 Are you on a different channel? I think you're on a different channel. You're on a different channel. We need to be on the same channel. Here, you could put a radio if you want. There is also RX code. I don't know what that means, but you could have your private station. That's only you could communicate with your team privately, so nobody could hear you.
Dad.
What's up, buddy? I think you changed the station again. See, look, it needs to be on the 22. So don't press this button unless you want to change station. So only on the radio you could change it. So
How about this?
what's up? You like to listen to radio? So press it again. So it's a radio. Now press up and down. Mm-hmm. Well, first you have to press that. But if you want to change it, just press this again, and it searches. Well, guys, hope you like this walkie-talkie. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and see you guys in our next video. Bye-bye.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.